What's up, guys? Welcome back to another quick video. It's Alex over here. I'm in the garage, and today is November 20th. Tomorrow's my birthday. I just got this on the mail, and I think this is something that I ordered back on October 17th. So it took a month and 2 days to arrive, and I think I made even a short, or I posted as a on the community thing. I posted a link, and I think those are gonna be the Shimano MT200 brakes that I ordered from Amazon. And I just checked, and they're still available, $52.99 plus taxes. Might take a little while to get here, but definitely worth it. Let's go ahead and unpack this thing and see exactly what we got. Again, I'm gonna leave affiliates in the description below. Let's unpack this thing. So packaging, not the best, and yes, it was coming from China. That's okay, as long as we get what we needed. It's definitely worth it, especially for $52.99 plus taxes. I guess you can't beat that, not even when they were like a low price. When I bought them almost 2 years ago, I paid like almost $70. And if these are the real deal, which we're about to find out, it'll be freaking cool. So comes to two separate bags, and as we can see, it does say Shimano. Caliper must be the front, because it's a little shorter than the other one. Let's look at the front one, because I don't want to carry the whole thing out. Comes with the bolts, clips, spacers, all that good stuff. And these are pictured the whole deal. Let's see. We can see it does say Shimano. We have the pads, and even the hose is Shimano. So this is an excellent deal. And of course, the brake lever is also Shimano. So these are in fact the good deal, and pretty sure it was worth the wait. So if I was to order this again, or if I had more bikes that needed brakes, so if you're barely starting into mountain biking and you need something reliable, really good, if you're building a fleet of bikes and you don't want to spend too much money but you do want quality, go ahead and order a few of this, because for $52 as of right now, today, they're gonna be an excellent deal, and you will not be disappointed. Shimano MT200s, front and rear, brand new, for $52.99. Get them, you will not be disappointing. These are entry level, but these are proven to be really good. I cannot emphasize that enough. Get them, get a few of them if you can afford them. If you have many different bikes, if you have different bikes, go ahead and get them. You will not be disappointed. Other than that, this is gonna wrap it up for today, guys. I hope that you like this video. Again, I will leave affiliates in the description below, and I guess I'll see you in the next one. Let's ride. Goodbye.